Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this makeup look. I am partnering with Thrive Causemetics today for an amazing celebration within their company. So in celebration of Carissa, their owner's birthday, which by the way, happy birthday Carissa. They're going to be donating $30 million worth of their beauty products to over 50 nonprofit giving partners across the country. I'm so excited to be working with them for this video for you guys. I'm going to be doing a full face of Thrive Causemetics products. So if you would like to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, I'm going to get started with my base makeup. I've already primed my skin and I'm going to be going in with the Thrive Causemetics Buildable Blur CC Cream. You guys have seen me use this plenty of times. I'm using the shade Rich Tan and I'm going to apply just a few pumps to the back of my hand and apply it to the skin. This is actually a really great product for the summertime because it's lightweight and it has SPF in it and it's a CC cream, so it also has ingredients in it to help out the skin. This one is really nice for the summertime and just in general if you guys prefer to wear CC creams. I actually forgot how much I love this CC cream. I used to use it pretty often. Now I'm thinking I need to go back to it because it gives really nice coverage, as you guys can see, and it's pretty hydrating. That just looks so good. I'm gonna set it down though, but it looks super nice. And then for setting powder, I'm going to use the Soft Focus HD setting powder, which is one of my go-tos most definitely. I actually really like the fact that it's not messy at all. So there is a lid on it and then you open it up and then there's basically another lid and it just allows for the perfect amount of powder to come out. You don't make a mess all on your desk, which is awesome. I'm actually going to use their highlighter brush to apply my powder and just apply a light amount on my T-zone area and underneath my eyes. So I've been using Thrive Causemetics for much longer than I actually thought. It's going on almost 2 years. I first started using their products in about October of 2017 and it's actually one of my favorite brands, not just because they create really awesome products, and I've actually gotten my friends on to Thrive Causemetics and some of you guys, but also because the mission behind the brand is like phenomenal. And you kind of hear about that, like brands giving back, but you can actually see them giving back and watch their videos on their website. And these organizations range from women that are fighting cancer, women that have been through domestic violence, and also women that are emerging from homelessness. So it's a wide range of organizations that they actually donate their products to. So not only do they create just amazing products, their mission and their purpose is just, not often do you hear about a really successful brand donating so much of their time and products to organizations. And I've told you guys this before previously that a lot of their makeup products are also named by some of the women that they've helped and women that have inspired them along the way, along the journey. So I just love everything about this brand. Like, everything is amazing. And then you see I'm applying this bronzer and this bronzer is amazing. Creates the appearance that I have higher cheekbones and just a natural warming to the skin. And the bronzer that I'm using is in the shade EOS and it looks like this. It's a bit more cool tone than most of the bronzers that I use, but it's really nice. And of course I'm using their bronzer brush. I just love that. You almost don't even need blush because it just looks so healthy and warm, and that CC cream really gives a really nice glow to the skin. So now I'm going to move on to brows, and I'm so excited about this because I used to use this a lot and then I ran out, so I'm excited. And so I'm just gonna do my brows exactly how I've been doing them. I kind of went back to the Instagram brow, as you guys have been seeing. I mean, look at how nice and sharp that looks, and I haven't even cleaned it up with concealer yet. So nice. That's why this was one of my faves. Then I ran out and now I have it back, and it's so easy to use. So this is before and then this is after. So as far as brow gel, I'm not quite sure which one I want to use. I have the one in the shade Audrey and the shade Serena. Now Serena is actually the shade of brow pencil that I use, so I don't know, something telling me not to use that because that might make my brows look even darker, and I really like the shade that they are now. I just want to set them, so I'm gonna go with the lighter one and hope for the best. Let's see. Yeah, that was a great idea. It did lighten them up a little bit, but I'm fine with that. I just didn't want them darker. Okay, so now we're moving on to the eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow palette is so cute. It's like the packaging is so cute. Like most of their stuff is like this tealish color, and I really love that they did the teal outline as well as the teal back, and then the front are the eyeshadows, so it's super cute. And these are the shades in the palette, but to be honest, this is not even my favorite part. My favorite part is the fact that there is this little quote on here, and it says, "You're perfect just the way you are." Is that not so nice? I just love that. I'm going to go ahead and apply the shadows. I'm going to do kind of like you start off saying, I'm gonna do something natural, and then you end up going bold. So I'm gonna say that I'm gonna go bold, and then maybe that means I'm gonna go natural. Who knows? Okay, so we're gonna start with this shadow right here, and I'm gonna use that kind of just as the first shade in my crease slash transition color. So another thing I also wanted to say, their products are also vegan and cruelty free, which is amazing. So I'm just applying this in the upper crease area, and I'm using their eyeshadow crease brush. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. I'm gonna actually apply this shade to the outer corner. You can also use this shade as a transition color if you prefer. Looking good so far as far as creating a more natural look. And what I'm doing is I'm just gonna wipe this brush off on the napkin to kind of just start from scratch with it, and then I'm gonna go back in with the transition color to just help blend the edges. Probably could just stop right here, but I'm not. For the lid, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is just a cream shadow. Apply this with the eyeshadow lid brush, and I'm kind of creating a cut crease with this. It's gonna be a really soft cut crease. Oh, this shade is so pretty. A lot of times you have to really build up matte, like creamish white shade. This one is super intense, like right off the bat, and it's not shearing out the more that I kind of blend it. That is a really nice shade. So I'm gonna go back in with the shade that I used in my outer corner, kind of just tap it to blend those shades together. That is so pretty to me. I love this eye look. So I'm gonna take their Infinity Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner and apply just a really baby wing. And that's just gonna create like a small little cat eye effect, because I'm not going to wear any false lashes. I'm just going to wear the mascara, because the mascara is actually called the Liquid Lash Extension, so you literally don't need any extensions if you don't want to. They're not perfectly even, but they're even enough. So now I'm gonna go in with the Liquid Lash Extensions mascara and just apply this to my lashes. And of course, I hit the mascara on my face. But this is kind of a before and after of the mascara. It's just super nice. You don't even need lashes when you apply this mascara. All right, so for highlight, I'm going to use the Cosmo Power Strobing Highlighter in the shade Liberty. And this is what it looks like. Also, like on those same lines of the quote that's inside the eyeshadow palette, they also have Hello Gorgeous on the bronzer, blush, and highlights, which is so nice. So I'm going to take their highlighter brush and apply this to the cheeks. Then I'm going to take a touch of the highlight and just put it in my inner corner a little bit. And then for blush, I'm going to use this one. This is in the shade Angelina. Ooh, so pretty. And a little goes a long way. Learn from me. And then the last step is lips. I'm just dabbing off the lip balm that I had on. I'm gonna line my lips with a dark brown lip pencil. So for lip color, I'm going to apply the liquid lipstick, and it's the perfect mauve pink, which for some people is nude. I would describe this as kind of a nude shade, only because I like this as my nude. I'm gonna apply it and then just blend it into the lip pencil. I was thinking about putting a gloss on top, but I don't even think I need it. So this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. tutorial and also learned a lot about the brand if you didn't already know the stuff that I talked about. I also want to wish Carissa a happy birthday again, and it's so amazing that you're able to give such a huge donation on your birthday of $30 million worth of their vegan and cruelty-free beauty products to 50 nonprofit giving partners across the country. And if you guys want to check out who those giving partners are, you can head over to their website. And if you want to shop any of the products that I used in this video, which I'm sure you guys have found some products that you want to take a look at, because I think this makeup look came out amazing. So I'll have the links in the description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.